In today's video we are going to see about apps. So in previous video we have discussed like what is app, what is field, what is tab, and what is app launcher, setup, and all this. So those are basic terms in Salesforce. So basic things you have to know first. And here I have already explained what is app. So what are we discussing now is how to create app, your own app, how to customize it on your own. So we'll see with practical completely, and also I have explained you all those fields tabs, right? So the same we'll have videos further, but in those videos we will have practical experience, like that means how to create app, how to create field, how to create tab, how to create page layout, all those. In previous I have just explained you the basic, very basic concept only. Okay, so and one more thing I wanted to tell you is in one of our video we have discussed like how to create a trial account. So if you want to go to this Salesforce, we have two ways. Okay, hold on. Yeah, we have two ways. One thing is from the trailhead you can go to any module and open any module which has this challenge 500 points. Okay, it should be, that means it will have like this. So by default you have playground default one, you can launch it from there. Okay, so if you do that you will be landing to the Salesforce whatever I'm showing here. If not, okay, if not, so from here you can again go to setup and then you'll be landing to this page only. Okay, if not, there is one more way. You can create developer org edition, like okay, you have to give your first name, email address should be unique one again. I mean, whatever you have used for the trailhead you should not use here, because if you use you'll get error like this already. This email is already in use, so don't use that, use new one. Okay, this is for the developer edition org. So you have to give your own username and then sign me up. You will get like activation link, verify account, you can verify and set password. Okay, it will automatically ask you to set password, and then from next time onwards how you can log in is login.salesforce or loginsalesforce.com. So from here you have to enter the username, enter the password and login. Username is whatever here we have, that is username. I have already explained. So here whatever you give it as username, that will be your username. And now this is second way, and the other one is same, login.salesforce.com. Okay, so if you don't want to register the Salesforce account with a new email, but if you want this trailhead email only, then go to this link again and write the, I mean whatever the, enter your username whatever you have for your trailhead, and then enter the password. See, for the first time you'll not have password, right? So you forget your password, click on forget your password, you will get email. Okay, like verify account, because this is the first time, right? So you have to click here. Username also it will give for later on purpose, you have to give, click on this link, verify account, and then it will ask you to set password. Once you set password, from the next time onwards you can directly log into this Salesforce only. Again you will be landing on to the same page. Okay, these are the three ways. Okay, how do you have to get this UI, and how to log in to the Salesforce account. And now we are creating app, right? So first you'll not get this page. Okay, whenever you log into the Salesforce you'll not get this page, you will get this kind of page. Okay, so here you will not have that home and object manager, you'll have these tabs. If you want object manager and home, click setup. Okay, this gear icon is called as setup, sorry, gear icon, and here you have setup. Click setup, so you'll get home and object manager and quick find here. Okay, this is from the setup. Now what is app? For the app, to navigate to any app, click on app launcher, and then you have to search for app. You can click on view all option. You will get all these apps which are in the Salesforce account, and all these are standard, and upon creation of your account you'll have all these apps. Now how to create your custom app we'll see in this video itself. So let's close, and now in the quick find, this is quick find, type app manager. Okay, this is how you have to create a custom app. Now here go to new lightning app, give app name. I'm giving it as easy Salesforce. You can give anything, and in developer name you don't have to type anything, just click once, it will populate automatically. It will not have spaces. So if you, even though if you give spaces here, it will replace it with the underscore. This is how this automatically happens from the Salesforce side itself. And remember, once you create this complete app, you won't be able to change developer name at any cost. Not just app, it is for field, it is for any label, any what is it, tab name. So any labels you can change, but you cannot change the developer name, because in Salesforce you will refer everything. That means every app or tab, field, page layout, metadata, everything you will refer using this developer name only. That means API name. Okay, and here you can give, this is a custom app created by me. So this is the description. So this is how it will look. Okay, now here if you want any logo, or if you want any picture to be displayed for your app, you can give here. And org theme options, like instead of org, for org also we'll have this blue color, the Salesforce. So if you want to use apps image, this is again custom thing, we'll see this later. And for color, you can choose any color. I'll choose this color, like that's your wish. Okay, done. If you want your app to be this color, that's your wish again. Next, and navigation style, how you want to navigate, give it a standard navigation. And supported form factors means, see, one big advantage is Salesforce is available on the mobile also. So based on the screen size, it will automatically fix, that is, it is very responsive. Okay, now here if you choose desktop and phone, whatever the app you're creating, that will be available on the desktop and phone. If you click on desktop, if you select this, it will be available only for the desktop users. That means if you log into the desktop only. If you click phone, only when a user is viewing Salesforce in the phone, then they will be able to see your app in phone. Okay, so just choose desktop and phone, and set up all this, just leave as it is. Next, utility items we'll discuss later. And utility bar alignment, utility is like, you'll have bottom, see here they are showing you, right, bottom one, this complete thing is utility. So from here you can just directly select call option. See, in phone we will have in the bottom right, camera, call logs, contacts, messages. So here also the same thing, utility, you can add whatever you want. That means this will be fixed, even though you are in the any other page, this utility item will be fixed. You can just access it directly from the bottom. Okay, so you don't have to do is you don't have to do it right away. We'll discuss about this later on. Now see, for every app we will have some navigation items, right? I will show you. So we'll go for some app, service app, that's our wish. So we have this charter, accounts, contacts, cases, reports, dashboards, right? So similarly, if you want anything for your app also, so for every app, the accounts and or few things will be common: accounts, contacts, cases. That's our wish. You can add anything, whatever you want. So whatever we add here, those will be displayed as tabs in our app. So I'm adding 1 2 3 4, and let's add one more: contacts. Okay, 5. I'm adding 5. So when we create app, we'll have only these 5 navigation items. So next, and profiles. So what are these profiles, we will see again. Okay, for now, select system administrator. I'm selecting a system. That means the user who has the system administrator profile only will be able to see this app. The other users cannot view this app. I will use standard user. Mostly we will use system admin or standard user only. That means for challenges. But remember, system administrator is the highest uh, highest profile. Okay, for system administrator only all the things will be accessed. Okay, for all the remaining users, for all the profiles, you will not have that much access, and we'll see that in further videos. So for now, just select these two. I'll tell you about these profiles later. Click on save and finish. Yeah, our app is created. Now where is our app? See, easy Salesforce. This is a custom whatever the description we gave, and today's date. It is lightning only. It is visible in lightning. And if you want to delete your app, you can delete, or if you want to edit your app, you can edit. Okay, like clicking on this drop down, you'll get these two options. You can do that. And now we'll check whether our app is created or not. App launcher, easy Salesforce, right? See, this is our app. We created our app, and we discussed like how many navigation items we have added. 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 are there. If you want to add few more, okay, few more navigation items, that means based on your requirement you will have, right? Like sometimes you wanted to add few more, and sometimes you wanted to delete the existing ones. So in such cases, you have to click this pencil icon here, that is edit, and from here add more items, and now click all. So you can just plus alert settings, plus app launcher, plus. So you can add all these things. Okay, cancel, and you can also reorder them like this. Just drag accounts first, contacts first, cases second, like that, and then save. Okay, so now we got accounts first, contacts first, accounts third. This is how you have to create app in the Salesforce, and we'll see about tabs, fields, and rest of the things in detail like this only. And if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Thank you.